Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Coreldraw tutorial how to crop an image. So you can insert image by going to file menu, click import, and I will use this image. Now if you want to crop the image, you can use these crop tools. Click on the image, hold, and then you can move back to this point. After it, you can use the vertex to resize the cropping. And if you done, you can click this crop button to be crop the image. I will use again these crop tools, and you can click from this point like into here, and then use the crop buttons to crop the image. Okay, that's it for basic CorelDRAW tutorial how to crop an image.